Hello traders, it's Friday, September the 9th, and here is OptionsXO's London preview. The major stock indexes on Wall Street continued to slump on Thursday, as investors remain less than impressed by US economic data and outlooks. The US dollar traded in range, but did manage to moderately gain against most major currencies. The US economy is not strong, but it still might be the best economy internationally. Weekly unemployment claims and consumer credit figures did beat their estimates on Thursday, but US traders may continue to be rather tentative on Friday as nervous sentiment prevails. China and Japan data continue to prove rather poor this morning. The tertiary industry activity report from Japan showed that businesses continue to be cautious with their spending. China inflation data did not show that the Chinese economy is improving. Both Asian nations are important within the global economy, and part of the nervous sentiment that is building among international investors is based on worries about stagnation in Japan and China. The yen has shown some consolidated trading today as it tests short-term ranges. The European Central Bank did not change its interest rates on Thursday, nor did the ECB change its current bond buying program. However, ECB President Mario Draghi admitted that the European Union, though resilient, still faces some downside risks. Draghi insisted no changes to monetary policy were needed at this time, but that the central bank will monitor the European economy closely and is able to act as needed. The euro started Thursday on a stronger footing, but as the day ended, it began to give back its gains. European data released from Germany and France early this morning continued to highlight economic concerns. The UK will release the goods trade balance figures this morning. The pound has lost some of its momentum the past day and been sold. Both the euro and pound should be watched carefully going into the weekend. Gold faced selling pressure on Thursday after the precious metal started to approach important resistance levels. Gold has done well this week, but it has been volatile and may continue its fast trading today. Crude oil gained on Thursday as the crude oil inventories numbers showed a steep fall in supplies. However, crude oil remains a speculative trade and traders need to be careful with the commodity. Going into the weekend, global data will be fairly light, but at 8:30 GMT this morning, the UK will release both the good trades balance and consumer inflation expectations numbers. At 12:30 GMT, Canada will publish its employment change data. The US will close out the day with wholesale inventories at 2 GMT this afternoon. Thank you for watching. Have a good trading day and a great weekend.